Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. This is Taouti Mohammed Madani. I am presenting unlocking a new bridge to harvesting nature's energy using natural organic dyes for photovoltaic applications by the help of Professors Ali Shaknan and Nasser Salman. We are presenting motivation towards dye-sensitized solar cells. We are then introducing the SSC structure and working principle and the limitations of the device. Then we will share our goal and results and discussion, and finally we will conclude. Motivation towards the SSC. The world is always looking for new, effective and nature-friendly ways to produce cleaner energy since the creation of solar cell technology and solar systems. So researchers are working to have and to provide the best performance versus cost and stability of these cells. One of the promising technologies is the SSCs because of their low cost, their simple preparation methodology, low toxicity, their ease of production and fast manufacturing, energy production from indoor light and cloudy weather. They can be used as windows in buildings. It can be made with flexible materials such as conductive polymers. They have extreme lightweight, ease of transport and installation, and recent studies have shown that unlike the first generation solar cells, the SSC's performance increases with the increase in the internal temperature. However, yet to publicly commercialize the SSC, we have to overcome some key problems like low stability because of the internal structure that is containing organic materials. We have degradation factors, their low scalability because of the resistance present in the glass sheet used in the SSC. We have low efficiency compared to the first generation solar cells. The SSC structure is quite simple. It's composed of a transparent conductive oxide. We apply on it a metal oxide such like titanium dioxide sensitized with a dye, and then we have an electrolyte and then a counter electrode that we apply a platinum catalyst on it, and this is called the working electrode. Working principle of the SSC, you can see the light passes through the transparent conductive oxide and excites the dye molecule. The dye molecule generates an electron that will be injected into the conduction band of the titanium dioxide. We see also that the electrolyte helps to regenerate this dye, and also the electrons flowing through the external circuit will go back to here and regenerate or reduce this electrolyte. Limitations of the device. A huge amount of loss in energy. Oxidized dye takes place during the process of regeneration. The sheet resistance of FTU glass sheet is about 10 ohm per square, thus this makes scaling of the device difficult. Leakage of the electrolyte, chemically aggressive nature of the electrolyte. Due to the small modules, the chances of leakage increases. Sealing capability of hot melt foils used in DSSC decreases when the pressure builds up inside the cell, and also if exposed within a cyclic or regular temperature variation. When both the stress factors, in other words, temperature about 80 degrees Celsius and light soaking, were combined in accelerated aging experiments, a rapid degradation in the performance of the cell was observed. Our goal, knowing that dyes play an important role in the overall efficiency and stability of the DSSC, we use natural dyes from plants that are very abundant in our country and known for their thermal stability. We are planning to extract these dyes from 3 different plants and identify their molecular structure to get properties of each molecule. Once we have identified the molecular structure and its properties by DFT calculations, density functional theory calculations, we plan to try different mixture ratios from these dyes in a specific DSSC prototype using working electrode with titanium dioxide. In our results, we can say that after the extraction of natural dyes from Algerian Sahara herbs in our region, by Soxhlet extraction and applying different analyses to our samples, such like FTIR and UV visible spectroscopies, we've got some promising results. Here we introduce a FTIR spectroscopy performed on Artemisia solid extract using Soxhlet extraction, and in the extraction procedure we have used ethyl acetate and methanol. We notice that our molecules exhibit OH alcohol and CO double bond carbonate functional groups, which allows the dyes to firmly bond to the metal oxide and help for more bonding between the dyes and the metal oxide. We can also say that higher presence of these functional groups means a higher numbers of electron injection into the metal oxide. So finally but after the perusal of various attempts to improve the efficiency and stability of DSSCs on all components on the device, we can say that the improvement of the overall performance and stability is possible when we achieve the best setup and structure by the investment of all the results obtained by different researchers and teams. And the usage of strong and resistive dyes will help to derive new ideas and possibilities to develop natural, strong and stable solar cells. When observing the shape, color and structure of our desert herbs leaves, we can say they exhibit high qualities to use as sensitizers. They absorb a wide range of wavelength. They have a strong structure that makes them more resistant to elevated temperatures and drought. So we can say that we will obtain higher stability compared to other natural dyes. This is our references.